Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Style and Study Corner. ఇది స్టడీ వీడియో. సో నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్ మీరు ఎవరైనా చూడకపోయింటే చూడండి. ఫిషరీ సైన్స్కి సంబంధించి, విలేజ్ ఫిషరీస్ అసిస్టెంట్కి సంబంధించి బెస్ట్ బుక్స్, బెస్ట్ వెబ్సైట్స్ అండ్ బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ విత్ డెఫినేషన్స్ ఎవరైనా చూడని వారు ఉంటే చూడండి. లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం ఫిషరీస్ 100 మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ని డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాము. సో ఈరోజు కూడా రిమైనింగ్ 100 బిట్స్ని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. 111 sampling method in which population is divided into sub-population of equal size. Answer is systematic sampling. 112 diploid chromosome number in IMSC is. Answer is 50. 113 sex-linked inheritance in fish was first described by. Answer is Jonas Smith. 114 colchicine is used for suppressing. Answer is metaphase chromosomes. Metaphase chromosomes ni suppress cheyadaniki colchicine అనే కెమికల్ని యూజ్ చేస్తారు. 15 first transgenic fish was produced in the year. Answer is 1985. Fishes which reproduce and die within a year are called as. సంవత్సర కాలంలో చేపలు ప్రత్యుత్పత్తిని జరిపి చనిపోవడాన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ సెముల్పారస్. 117 విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఎ ప్రోటోజోవన్ సిలియేట్? క్రింది వాటిలో ఏది ప్రోటోజోవన్ సిలియేట్? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ట్రైకోడీనా. 118 రెడ్ టైల్ డిసీజ్ ఇన్ shrimp is caused by. ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ TSV. The concentration of KMnO4 used for treating అర్గ్యులస్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ ఈజ్. ఎంత మొత్తంలో KMnO4ని వాడతారు అర్గ్యులస్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ తగ్గించడానికి? ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 10 ppm parts per million. The common medium employed for fish cell line is. Answer is MEM medium. 121 behavior patterns that are expressed outwardly are called as. Answer is overt. 122 the ability of an individual to cope with this environment is called. Answer is intelligence. 23 cells responsible for synthesizing antibodies are. Answer is B cells. 124 failure in induced breeding can be due to. Answer is same species. 126 inbreeding results in. Answer is inbreeding depression. 27 exposing milk to high dose of radiation results in. Answer is destruction of nucleus of the sperm cells. వీడియోలో కూడా దీనికి రిలేటెడ్ అయిన ఒక బిట్ ఉంది చూడండి. 28 interspecific and intergenic hybridization produce. Answer is better growth. 129 Typha is a. Answer is rooted higher plant. 130 to eradicate the weeds weedicides used are. Answer is 2,4-D. 131 algal bloom is caused by. Answer is mycocystis. 132 soil sterilant is effective in destroying. Answer is bottom predators. 133 sodium arsenate kills. Answer is all the submerged weeds. 134 the green water method of algae production is practiced in. Answer is prawn larvae culture centers. 135 in the algal production centers copper sulfate is applied to control rotifers at a rate of. Answer is 0.1 ppm once in 2 weeks. 136 brain shrimp is known as. Answer is Artemia salina. 137 sister brain shrimp hatch out as. Is Naplii. 38 decapsulation of Artemia cyst means. Answer is removal hard shell of Artemia cyst. 139 in order to deactivate toxic residues in the decapsulated Artemia should be dipped in. Answer is chloric acid. 140 chlorella culture thrive well in the salinity range of. Answer is 10 to 20 ppt. 141 Branchionus is a very valuable live food but early larval stage of fish is unable of ingest because. Answer is they move very fast. Nitrogen fertilizers are preferred as they are. Answer is non-toxic to organism. 143. Major problem in using organic manure is. Answer is variability of composition. 144. Chicken manure is high in. Answer is nitrogen content. 145. Food conversion ratio is the. Answer is amount of feed required to produce a unit weight gain. 46. The main problem with the use of trans fish as a feed is. Answer is deterioration of water quality and loss of nutrients. 7. Critical nutrients in the feed are. Answer is methionine and lysine. 48. The two most important qualities of fish pellets are. Answer is hardness and water stability. 149. Salmonella in the feedstuff is killed by. Answer is storing in cold storage. 150. The major advantage of encapsulated diet is. Answer is water quality is not spoiled. 1. Feeding rate is estimated by. Answer is calculating the biomass. 152. A fish fry of body weight 0.25 grams requires food of weight. Answer is 10% of its body weight. 153. The first step requisite for the preparation of stocking pond is to. Answer is clearing of plants and removal of predatory fishes. 54. Carrying capacity of 1 hectare ponds fed with protein rich pellet is. Answer is about 2680 kg. 55. Carrying capacity of the pond means. Answer is the weight limit of the fishes the pond can support. 156. Stocking pond of 1.25 to 2.0 hectare can be stocked by 5 to 100 mm major carp fingerlings at a rate of. Answer is 15,000 per hectare. 58. Organic fertilizers include. Answer is cow dung. 159. The common predatory fish found in the pond is. Answer is Ambasis ranga. 161. Fish poison of plant origin or. Answer is mow oil cake. 162. The important culturable species are. Answer is Labio rohita. The headquarters of Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute is in. Answer is Barakpur, Orissa. 4. Primary productivity is measured by using. There is radioactive transfers like C14. 165. Nutrient cycle is a part of. Answer is biogeochemical cycle. 66. The controlling factor of productivity is colloidal content of the soil. 67. Bicarbonate and carbonates found in water acts as reservoirs of. Answer is carbonic acid. 168. Aquarium water should be aerated during. Answer is early morning. 69. Ammonia concentration is toxic to fish beyond. Answer is 0.05 mg per liter. 70. The common name of Betta splendens is. Answer is Saimus fighter. 171. Floating plants are required for breeding. Answer is guppies. 72. Peacock tail is a variety of. Answer is goldfish. 173. Vallisneria is a. Answer is rooted plant. 74. Permanent hardness is due to dissolved sulfates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. 75. A good example of live bearer. Answer is I reticulata. 26. Ichthyostyrus is a. Answer is protozoan parasite. 27. Acidosis is caused due to. Answer is drastic reduction of calcium salts. 178. Blooms are produced by. Answer is dinoflagellates. 79. Argulus is a. Copepod parasite. 180. Infectious hematopoietic necrosis. IHN is a. Answer is acute viral disease. 181. Level of tolerance of fish in water for hydrogen sulfide is. Answer is 0.1 ppm parts per million. 82. Each female fish spawner needs. Answer is 10 mg of pituitary hormone per kg of fish. 183. Stocking rate of brood fish should be is 1000 to 300 kg per hectare. The fish poison Derris powder has. Sir is written on. Aldrin is a. Is chlorinated hydrocarbon. 86. The best food for fry of cutla is. Answer is zooplankton. 87. The rate of ammonia excretion increases 10 times when the temperature in fish fry transport containers rises. Is 1 degree centigrade. 188. Sodium amytal is a series anesthetic drug. 189. Common carb breeders are fed with oil cake and rice bran at a rate of 1:1 at series 2 to 3% of the body weight. Hypophysis technique was first used in. Answer is Brazil. 191. If pituitary of the same species is used, it is called homoplastic. Answer. Average fecundity rate of Indian carp. Answer is 2 lakh eggs per kg body weight. 193. Hatching's Happa has. Answer is 2 rectangular enclosures. 4. Macrobrachium rosenbergi breeds in. Answer is estuaries. 5. Larval food of prawns consists of. Answer is diatoms and zooplankton. 196. In prawns, eggs hatches into. Answer is Zoea. 7. True pearl oysters of Indian seas are. There is Pinctata fucata. 98. The common spiny lobsters of our coast are. Answer is Panolerus hammerus. Cryoprotective diluents for fish spermatozoa consists of. Answer is all. It includes sucrose, potassium bicarbonate, glutathione, dimethyl sulfoxide and egg yolk. Red milk fish feeds on. Answer is bottom algae. Next 100 bits we will discuss in another video. Subscribe my channel for more latest updates of aquaculture.